Year-over-year percentage difference 2024 versus 2025 on a daily basis. Understanding daily year-over-year (YOY) percentage differences between 2 years can provide insightful data for various analysis, whether that pertains to financial markets, climate studies, business growth, or simply personal progress tracking. Let us consider the year-over-year percentage difference calculation looking into 2 years, 2024 and 2025. After dragging ARPU to rows, you can go to quick table calculation and then percent difference. Choose specific dimension, year is marked. Here you can choose bar chart over other charts to see the actual percentage difference between these values from 2025 to 2024. Somehow you may need to change compute using option to match it with the field you want, in this case year. That's the end of this episode.